In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from your different websites to your Shopify store. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to expand your range of products with ease, this guide will walk you through the process. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to your Shopify admin page. You'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side, where you'll find the navigation panel. Here, click on the Products section. This is the hub where all your inventory magic happens, so becoming familiar with this space will be incredibly beneficial in the long run. Once you're in the Products section, you'll notice a variety of options. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Import. It's a straightforward option, but a crucial step towards streamlining your product management across different platforms. After clicking on Import, you'll be met with a prompt that gives you a choice. Select Import data from another platform. Shopify has made it exceptionally easy to bring in products from various channels, which is perfect if you're managing inventory across multiple online marketplaces. Now, here's where it gets exciting. You'll see a drop-down menu listing different platforms you can import from. This feature truly enriches your store by integrating it with other successful sales avenues. You have options like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, Instagram, eBay, Wix, and many more. Take a moment to think about where you have the largest presence or where your products currently reside, and go ahead and select the appropriate platform from this list. Once you've made your selection, keep in mind that each platform will have its unique setup process. This means you may need to grant permissions, configure settings, or execute certain tasks particular to the platform you're importing from. Rest assured, Shopify provides clear instructions and helpful prompts along the way to guide you through this. Take a steady approach and follow the specific instructions provided to ensure a smooth and successful import of your products to your Shopify listings. And there you have it. With these steps, you're able to centralize your products on your Shopify store, making inventory management more efficient and helping widen your sales reach. You've taken a significant step towards optimizing your online business. This process is designed to be quite intuitive, but remember, patience is key as you integrate the platforms. Thanks for tuning in to this Shopify tutorial. With this newfound ability to import products seamlessly, your store is bound to benefit. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful guides like this one. Until next time, happy selling!